Hello and welcome to the Microsoft PowerPoint application course. We will continue in this video with formatting text and layout, and specifically we'll be looking at three topics. One, how you can align text in your PowerPoint presentation using indentation and using line and paragraph spacing. So let us pull up one of our presentation, and let's say we go here. Now if you want to align text, you can either, if you look at this text box here, let's expand it a little bit. So you see that this is mostly to the left side. So a text alignment can be at the left or at the center or at the right side of your text box or your placeholder. So, and these are the same things that you see here. So it tells you this is currently aligned left, and this is center, and this is right. Now you can use justify, which is a combination of everything in a way, but that's something you can practice with. Now to see how that works, so you can either choose this group of text or you can select which text you want. So let's just say we want only this one. Now you can either do it directly here because this is under the home menu, so click home. On the paragraph you can select any one of these, or you can just go straight here. I will click this, and under the indent and spacing, under general, I can look at alignment. It says my text is currently left aligned. I can say let it go to the right, and I will click OK. See that? Now if I want to bring all the text here to the center, I will click the edge of the text placeholder to select everything. Click here, so everything is selected because it's now tick line. I will go back to home, paragraph, the arrow, and under alignment I will choose center. Click OK. So you see everything now is centralized. Okay, and that's how you can do that. So let's go back to the left and we select everything, home. Instead of going through there, I would use this left align here just to show you how it works here. So this is left align. If I click, everything is to the left. Now the next thing we want to talk about is indentation. Now it's similar to alignment. So alignment says it's either in the left, center, or the right. Indentation means how much space you want between the margins, like this margins, left margin and your text, or the right margin and the text. So because my texts are left aligned, we'll be talking about the space between them and the left margin or the line here. So to do that, I will click, I want to do that for every text in this box. So I will go back to home, paragraph, and here it's indentation. So I can choose what type of indentation I want. Let's say hanging first line, the type, and let's see what it's like. Yeah, a little bit shifted. But the easiest way for you to do that, I would recommend you try to use this here. Okay, so this is not highlighted. So what we will do is we will click in the text. So let's use this one. So click at the beginning of the text, go to home, paragraph, but this time this is decrease indent and this is increase indent. So I will keep clicking on this. See, and apart from the fact that it's moving it away from the margin, it's also reducing the size. And if I want to get it back to the margin, I will go decreasing this, and that's how it works. Okay, so I can select all the text. I can do the same. See, it keeps going, or I can go back. There you go. And that's how you can do the text indentation. The last thing we want to do is line spacing or paragraph spacing. So if you want to increase the spaces between your lines, first thing we'll do is let's delete to bring them together. So I will select every text by just clicking at the edge here, and I can simply go to line spacing tab under home paragraph line spacing, or I can go here, I will click and I can go to spacing and I can indicate the type of line spacing I want, 1.5 double. If I click double, okay, so you see it's increased. I can go back again, home paragraph, but this time I will use this one here instead of going through the arrow. Click it down, and this is 1, so you see it's reducing, increases, but let's make it 1.5. And basically this is how you work with line spacing, indentation, and also with the alignment buttons. Thank you for listening as we come to the end of this video. See you on the next one. Bye bye.